Hey, Brian from Garage Wall. Today I have Arc Edge, and this is a 3-pack, and it basically turns your Sawzall into a pruning machine, or kind of like a chainsaw without the chain. So basically you just line this up onto your Sawzall, get the blade in there, and then you're good to go. So let's start pruning. Okay. All right, let's saw through this. Quick and easy, and you can even top off your stumps. Anyway, make your property easy to manage and prune your trees. Brian from Garage Wall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.